Today we'll try to explore one more new topic. And this is related to the execution of macros. So basically we have this one more activity which we call execute macro. This macro which we are writing the code in backend of Excel file. So already I have updated the small snippet of code. So let me run. If I run, what will happen? You can see this output. So you can see this output is this run from the UiPath. So right now I run from the by default from the Excel side. So now same thing how we can run with the UiPath. So for that we need to take this execute macro. So once you drag and drop, so you can see here macro name. We need to update this macro name. So just go and take this macro name and update. So after this, so still having some error. So because this activity should be used in the Excel scope. So let me take here Excel application scope. So just drag and drop and put this inside of this here. So this error gone vanished. So now I need to update this path. So let me go. This is my path. So I have updated this path. So this is the path. So now everything is completed. So I'm just closing this macro file and running this. So let me run this. So it will open that Excel file and try to execute that macro. So now it's got opened and we can see this. So this is run from UiPath. So just I triggered macro from this UiPath. So after this, by default, it will close that and automatically it will save that file. So this is a method how we can run, just run the macro from UiPath. So going further videos, we try to explore how we can get these arguments and how we can pass arguments from UiPath to macro or get from the macro to UiPath. So we'll try to see this how we can do that. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.